Hola, señorita.
What's up, guys, and welcome to the BCdriven YouTube channel. My name is Blake, and today I've got something really cool to share with you guys. Hopefully if you look right here in the bottom right corner, you'll see a number that's larger than 1,000, and that means we hit our first goal of 1,000 subscribers. So just want to say a quick thank you to each and every one of you guys that have clicked the subscribe button, liked the videos, commented, and watched them regularly. It means a lot, and I really appreciate it. In the last video, I mentioned doing a giveaway, and I am a man of my word. I don't want to do a giveaway, but unfortunately I do have some bad news that has not come in yet. I ordered it, and I'm just one guy. I'm working on a tight budget, and I did have to order it from kind of a less than reputable website, but they did have really good shipping. Hang on just a sec. Let me take this. Yeah, hello? Oh, it's delivering today. You're pulling up right. Wait, how do you know? I'm not even at home. How do you know where Is that police sirens out here? Hello? Hello? That was weird. They said that the pack... Hola, hey there. Hey, how are you? Is that back? Oh, okay, good deal, good deal. Well, come on in. That hat. Oh, this? Where did you get that hat? Actually, I found this on the side of the road. That's my hat. Oh, what? Well, and all. Oh, it's okay. I'm sorry. Sorry, sir. Oh, my hat. I've missed you. Oh, yes. Thank you, senor, for returning my hat, but I must go. All right. Take care. Man, that really was the weirdest experience. Something just seemed off with that guy, but you can't really place it. Anyways, let's get back to the giveaway now that the socket set's here. Ooh, it's a nice hat. Let me just... Oh yeah, it's having kind of a bad hair day anyways. Let's see. This socket set is what we're giving away in the video. Now, I think it's a pretty badass set. Let's open it up and check it out. Let's see if I can still do this here. Let's get her all squared up, and still got it. Man, this is a really nice set. Let me bring you guys in a little closer. We'll take a good look at this thing. Alrighty, what we're looking at here is a full 6mm to 24mm shallow, deep, 1/4 inch to 1 inch shallow and deep socket set, and these are really nice high-vis sockets. You got the red for your standard, blue for your metric. I've got a good mind to go ahead and throw these two right here away, because you won't be keeping up with those anyways. But in all seriousness, pretty nice set. It's got a really nice breaker bar with a hardened end on it there. It's got a couple spark plug sockets, maybe use that. I have no idea what you'd use that for, but you've got your wobble socket, or wobble extension rather, an extension, a 6-inch extension, 3-inch and a 6-inch, and then we either have a 6-tooth ratchet or a 90 tooth. Let's see. Oh, yeah, that's definitely a 90 tooth ratchet. There we go. Not gonna lie, this is a really nice socket set, and a little jealous I don't get to keep it for myself, but it's for a good cause. You know, you guys were really with me from the beginning. Well, some of you were, some of you are just finding me now, but as long as you stick with me. All right, so here's your official rules. I've got them on my phone here, so I don't screw it up, but basically, no purchase necessary. This is as free as it gets. You don't got to go buy any t-shirts. You don't got to go buy any keychains. This is completely free to enter, completely free to win. One restriction I'm going to put on this is continental US only. Sorry to my Canadian viewers. I know there's like 5% of you guys out there, which is a crazy amount to think that many Canadians are watching. But, you know, if you're a Canadian and you're watching this and you want to enter it, you win it, we'll try to work something out. But I couldn't imagine trying to ship this thing to, like, you know, some European country, and I just don't know how to do it, and I want to limit it to continental US just to save a little headache with the shipping this thing. But 90% of my viewers are in the US, so that should be good. All right, so here's your criteria. It's 3 things. 1, you gotta click that subscribe button, or maybe the subscribe button's over there. Either way, you gotta be subscribed to the channel. Okay. Number 2, I want you to go on Instagram, find me, it's BCdriven, BC_driven. I'll put it on the screen in case I butchered that, but find me on Instagram, give me a follow there, because that will likely be the easiest way to message back and forth. YouTube doesn't really have a good messaging system to message other people, so Instagram would be a lot easier to communicate with the winner. And lastly, you need to go to the comments, you need to type a comment, and it needs to contain hashtag BCdriven1K subs. I'll put that on the screen also, because I may have just butchered that, but BCdriven1K subs. Easy enough. And to sweeten the pot, if you don't want to enter the giveaway for the socket set, maybe you have a really nice socket set, maybe you don't like that this is in a carrying case, maybe you just don't want a socket set. I have a $100 Harbor Freight gift card that I will give to the winner if they choose not to get the socket set. So you either win the socket set, you could win a $100 Harbor Freight gift card. Choice is yours. You know, I know some people may not be that interested in a socket set, and I totally get it. But if you still want a chance to win something, there it is. You can win the socket set or a Harbor Freight gift card. But obviously, if this all seems kind of frantic and unorganized, I get it. I've never given anything away, and my wife will be the first person to tell you that. I've never given anything away, and I don't really know how it works, but I'm starting off with something kind of smaller, easier to give away, just to kind of get my feet wet, figure out all the logistics of it. So go ahead and get your entries in the comments below. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you find me on Instagram. And if you would rather trust your legal tender to win the socket set, I will put a link to it in the description. Won't be no sketchy shipping service, promise, but I will put a link to it in the description if you want to buy it. If you don't win it, you find this video after the giveaway ends and you want to buy the socket set, I'll put a link in the description. And that's really all I got for you guys. So make sure that your notification bell's on in about 1 week. See how the video does after 1 week. If we've got plenty of entries, I'll go and do it at 1 week. If not, I'll do it at 2 weeks. And you definitely don't want to miss that when that comes out. So that being said, that's really all I got for you guys. I just again want to say I really appreciate you watching the videos, subscribing, typing comments. I mean, that stuff goes a really long way to help the channel grow and to help others see the videos. And as always, I'll ask you, if you will, give the video a thumbs up, consider subscribing, drop me a comment down below for the giveaway. And thanks for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one.